Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I'm having a little tropical moment. I did this design using our blooms, our Phalaenopsis orchid blooms here at Prestige Botanicals quite some time ago, and I've had requests from people wanting to know what could they put into it with their other orchids that might just enhance this and make it a little bit more tropical. Well, we do have other orchids and I absolutely love these beautiful Vanda orchid plants, and I like them with look at these lovely little aerial roots here. So beautiful, and that texture's just going to add a little bit more of a boost to what we're going to do today. Nice long stems that are going to make it easy to just put into it. Okay, the first thing to do, well, it's very easy this, is to just get your orchid and push that into this. I'm going to put one there, and with this other one, I'm just going to bring that, getting little hairy roots out of the road, that can go around to there, and then we'll just push that into there. Look at that. Hello! Now it's big and lush and tropical. Now there are new orchids coming to the range, so just whip into the tropical aisles and have a little look at what you might like to put in with your permanent forever flowers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again another day.